So again, good morning class, good morning everyone. I'm Mr. Jerome P. Balde and I will be your student teacher for today. So our lesson for today is preparatory tools and baking and large equipments and their names. So let's proceed. So the first one is the flour sifter. So a flour sifter is used to separate or to sift dry ingredients, especially sugar, flour, and also cocoa powder. And also it is a piece of kitchen equipment that you can sift anything dry ingredients in order to bake large crumbs or large pieces. So the next is a rolling pin. So a rolling pin is a cylinder used to flatten dough, and also it is a tube object that is used for making pastry flat and thin before cooking it. So the next is pastry brush. So pastry brush is used to spread butter or egg in food. So it also applies liquids, sauces, and other bases to food. It can be used in baking, roasting, and removing food excesses. So the next is cooling rack. So cooling rack is made of metal wire that can make the food out of the oven cool. So and also cooling rack used to help bake goods cool quickly and evenly after baking, taking out of the oven. So it is very useful for us not to be able to get hurt by the heat of the oven. So the next is the egg separator. So what is the use of egg separator? So the most commonly egg separators are designed to remain the yolk in the device and let the egg whites run through. Also, it catches the yolks but allow the whites to slip through. But if you don't have an egg separator in your house, you can use your hands and do the shell method. So the next one is the baking scale. So the baking scale is usually used to measure dry ingredients or ingredients like flour, sugar, and also it helps to ensure precise measurements each and every ingredients that we are using in terms of baking so that we can achieve the better result of our baked goods. So the next is the timer. So it is very important in baking because a timer is a device to assist timing either during preparing the ingredients or cooking. It keeps tracking the cooking over the extended period of time. And also if you don't have a timer equipment in your house, you can use your mobile phone so that you can have a substitute timer for you to track the time of your baked product. So we are now in the ending of our lesson. So the last but not the least is the oven thermometer. So what is the use of oven thermometer in baking? So an oven thermometer is used often when measuring the exact temperature of oil, water, and the melting chocolate, and also allows you to measure the exact or the precise temperature of your oven as close as you can. So I think that would be all for our discussion for today. I hope you learn and gain knowledge for today's discussion, and I will be seeing you next meeting. Thank you class. Again, this is Mr. Jerome Plibada, your student teacher. Thank you class.